Hey guys, welcome back to Debbie's Homemade. It's me, Debbie, in the kitchen. Today is Sunday and I'm getting ready to make some oven-made pineapple jerk chicken. Now in the sink here with the water running, I have 2 whole chickens. And I'm going to pour onto this water 2/3 cups of white vinegar for cleaning the chicken. You know, I always talk about cleaning your meat before you cook them. So while that's in there, what I'm going to do now is removing this chicken. And look, this is why we need to clean our chicken. Look at this. You want to extra feathers, skin that's removing. You got to clean this stuff off your chicken before you cook your chicken, man. These people are not cleaning the chicken properly before they put them in the store. So I don't understand how people just take them out the package and just go straight to cooking. Not cool. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of this, why you need to clean your chicken and how you clean your chicken, okay? I can imagine putting this on a plate for my husband or my kids, like this. Or for myself, for that matter. Crap, I gotta take care of me too. I'm important too. And I can't imagine this on my plate. This is just gross, right? Just gross, gross, gross. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut each chicken. I hope this knife is sharp enough. Okay, just cut it down the breast. You know, you buy the split breast in the store. Oh yeah, and then cut the back in half. And then I'm going to separate the breast and the leg and the thigh. And then put it back in the vinegar water. From the thigh, I'm going to cut off the fat that's hanging out the bottom there. And clean out the inside here. I don't think I'm going to cook both chicken actually. I'm going to save a half. Just use a half from the other one. My family is not big on leftovers, so I have to watch the food that I waste. My son will take lunch to work tomorrow and I'll pack lunch for my husband. And that's why I'm cooking the extra half.
And saving I'm looking at the yummy side right here. With the M&Ms.
So I come the back.
A lot of eggs there.
Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to save this half in a Ziploc bag one day. This week I'm going to make curry chicken. I like to use whole chicken, chop it up myself to make curry chicken because I like the dark and the white meat mixed together. I'm going to save that half for curry chicken. See, this can look like it's coming off. I mean, it's probably no big deal to you, but for me, even though it's my family I'm cooking for, it matters. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Now I'm gonna strain the water and I'm gonna rinse them off. This sauce, take off the extra fat right here that I can. This one also. Let me drain the water and rinse them off. I'm still ripping excess fat off. Just leave it in the sink here. And it's great now, clean it up. Okay, so that's that, guys. So I'm going to, I just put paper towel. Oh, here it is. Get some clean paper towel. I'm gonna move this out the way. If they can't fit in here, I don't think they can. No, they can. So I'm gonna use this 4-pan right here. Make it easier for me to clean up anyway. So I'm gonna use this 4-pan right here. I'm gonna pat dry these. And I'm still finding stuff to come off like this wing right here. I always hate when I buy chicken wing and I can find feathers on it. I hate that. You know, when I was a little girl growing up in Jamaica, we had our own chickens that I would help kill the chicken and defeather it. Yes, I did all that as a little girl. Okay, I'm pat drying these and look to see what I missed. Most of my family, they're gonna take the skin off anyway. I just put it on there for the flavor, but I just still can't put it in there unless I clean it up. I just want a little of the water off of these. Of course, I'd rather you do this overnight, guys. Yesterday, Saturday, I went to an event, so my Saturday chores I was a bit behind on, and then I was just tired when evening came, and I just probably had something to do with the pizza my family ordered for dinner too. I just wasn't in the mood last night, so. Okay, guys, so here we go. The 1.5 chicken cut in quarters and in the pan right here. Now I'm gonna pause for a second and we're gonna move on to what we're gonna season this up with, okay? Okay, guys, let's get started. In this bowl here, I have 1 stick of butter that I melted and about 4 cloves of fresh garlic that I minced and added to the butter. Now, here are my jerk marinades. I have mild. As you know, I like to combine the two. So I have mild and I have hot. And I'm gonna combine the two in this 1/3 cup measurement. This time more hot than mild. Yes. Okay. So here we go. This is the jerk marinade, about a 1/3 cup, more hot than mild. Pour it into the butter mixture. Let's mix this up. I have a can of pineapple chunks here with the juice. I'm gonna pour about half of this in here with the juice. You know what? This is a lot of chicken, so I'm gonna I put most of the chunks in there along with all of the juice, and I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of the hot. So it was a 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of the jerk. To this I have some fresh thyme I'm also going to add, and I want to get my my whole pimentos in here. So I have probably a little bit more than a teaspoon of whole pimentos. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce a little less than 1/3 cup of soy sauce to help with the color. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in here. Maybe about a tablespoon of olive oil. If I had coconut oil, I would rather add coconut oil than the olive oil. Now let's get some dry seasonings in here. First, let's start with the brown sugar. And put about 2 heaping tablespoons of brown sugar in here. Now let's get a tablespoon of black pepper in here. Some salt.
Mom, move everything because she's gonna get and
some garlic powder. Some adobo all-purpose seasoning. And some onion powder, and I'm about to sneeze. Oh, I hate when this happens. I know when if it comes out of move, I always do. Girl, thanks to my mother, I'm the epitome of good table manners or all kinds of manners, okay? Because as old as I am, my mom always tells me, girl, I taught you better than that. She don't play. You know your grandma Cynthia, right? Mm-hmm. She don't play when it comes to good manners. So
I know what table manners are if you sit at the table.
Okay, guys, so this is the mixture that I'm going to add to the chicken. So let's move our chicken over where you can see it. Guys, can you see the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And I'm going to pour every single bit of this on here. Oh my gosh. This is Flavor Town, like Guy Ritchie would say on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. This is Flavor Town happening here.
Is this jerk chicken?
Yes, but it's going in the oven instead of the grill.
Oh, and Dama?
Hmm?
Is this pineapples?
Yes, pineapples. I'm going to use the rest to make a nice thick pineapple sauce for when the chicken is done cooking.
Oh, I want it.
I knew. That's why I made sure I told you.
So again, you don't make pineapple sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it. Is it gonna be different or same?
You mean like the one I used last week on the pork chops that you guys love so much? It's going to be just about the same. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap this in foil. And I'm going to let this sit and marinate for, let me see what time it is. How much time I have. For about 3 hours, okay? 2 hours is good, but since I like to do this overnight and I didn't get to do that overnight, the longer it is for me, the better. So guys, here's the chicken getting ready to marinate for about 3 hours, and I'll see you guys back shortly. Okay, guys, we're back. My chicken has been marinating for 3 hours. My oven is preheated to 450. I'm going to take the foil off, and I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're going to check on it in 1 hour. Okay. And now over here, I'm moving on to my potato salad because I have to get that in the fridge so it can chill. Okay, guys, so in this bowl, I have a half a can of sweet corn and a half a can of peas. Let me get my potatoes cooked and drained. Oops. So, more, what kind of child do you think he is?
A person.
Oh, I have some finely chopped onions here. And red bell peppers. And my boiled eggs. I'm leaving the green onions for last. Let me get the eggs in here. Ooh, this. I underestimated how much I made.
She can drink that for real because she refused. Yeah, I gotta go and do that on camera. You already messed up. So, okay.
Half of this will be gone by dinner time anyway.
Okay,
But come on.
Yes, my drink.
Okay, I'm gonna get this cup here. I have some sugar, a little bit of white vinegar, and I'm going to add some mayo to this. Lots of mayo. Alright, I'm just making so much mess. A little bit of sweet relish. And some yellow mustard.
That's it.
Add a little black pepper in here. Perfect. Pinch of olive oil.
Dan, do you know you? Oh,
Now, what are you gonna say? Do I know what? That I'm making a mess?
no. Did you know your son's in the garage?
He's a grown man. He can do what he wants.
I think he did not hear it. I think he did.
He's not a little boy like you, you know.
Oh, she's not a boy.
I mean, she's a little girl. He's a grown man. Okay, then he's not a little kid. Sorry, he's not a little kid like you.
Did you know what I said?
She's tattletaling on you, Chris. Telling me you're in the garage. I don't know why.
I know why, because he's getting the gloves.
You heard that? He's grown. He do what he wants. Okay, Jade. Give me a second, please, sweetie.
I'm grown model.
You're grown.
I'm grown model.
You're 7 years old. How are you grown? Girl, you got a long ways from grown. We all have to do our time. You have to do your time too. Come here a second, Jade, please, sweetie.
You're the date tester.
Yes, Jade was always my taste tester. She hasn't done that in a while.
I would be your taste. I'm the not taste because I'm little.
Taste tester.
Well, I would be a taste tester. No, both of us. All three of us.
Jade is my biggest critic in the kitchen. I swear sometimes I want to smack her, but I appreciate. Ooh, she approves, y'all. Yay!
Can I taste it?
Hang on, sweetie.
It's good.
I mean, sometimes she can be rough, but I appreciate it. So when Jade approves, I know it's good, right, Jade? Okay.
Mommy,
Yes, sweetie?
they love staring at people.
I'm not staring. I'm staring up there.
Yes, you were staring at me, and then I started staring back, so then you looked over.
She's probably saying, "My oh, she's so beautiful, right, guys?" Oh, you just made it worse for yourself. Then you should agree with me, you silly girl.
Wait, you don't give me some in that plate?
I'm gonna give you a taste in this plate. A taste. This potato salad needs to go in the fridge and chill.
Okay. Even my face.
Both of you get to taste it. And if I hear any fighting over here,
Even my baby wanna taste it too.
okay, go tell your baby tell her mommy to make her some, or her grandma to make her some. Okay, so now that it's done, then I'm gonna sprinkle the green onions on the top.
It's good.
Thank you. I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge, let it chill, and I will see you shortly when the chicken is ready to be checked on.